Hi, and welcome to my life. This is Janine, that's me, and here we are in my favorite spot, my kitchen, and I hope to stay a while longer. I haven't been here doing much lately, but this is my big spot when I'm doing stuff like this. Tonight, we're going to roast a full chicken. I haven't done this in about a year on camera. We've eaten rotisseries, and they're so convenient now. Who hardly makes them anymore? Excuse me, but I saw this a little while ago on Instagram, and in one of those fast videos you can barely keep up with, and I said, oh, I like that. That's fun. So here's my full chicken. I like Murray's. It's a good brand. We're going to spice it up. Let's get that going. All the seasoning on it. And I have some veggies. We'll do those too. Let's do the veggies first because they're simple. They get some olive oil. I have potatoes in here, baby golden. I have onion, and I have carrot cut up. Nothing crazy, something simple. And I don't emphasize too much, guys, because this is going to be what you want with your chicken surrounding it, you know? You're not going to put the same stuff as me. I have my brand new from my shopping at Home Goods, garlic infused oil. So we're going to do a dab-a-do of that. Just test it out. Give her a test run. Okay, that's open. All right, that'll work. Okay, so we got that. All right, let me season the chicken first. I keep the livers because I love them. You seen me do my video the other day? I love chicken livers. I'm bad. This is, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounder. I don't know the size. Maybe somewhere between 4 and 5 pounds. The size don't matter. Whatever size chicken you get. Okay? Doesn't matter. Okay? Salt. A little bit. You know I'm crazy about that. Salt. Pepper. Some fresh ground pepper here. Little in the veggies. We'll share the seasoning. Now, what do I got here? Lemon pepper. I'm obsessed with lemon pepper. Anytime I do chicken, I'm like, I grab the lemon pepper. I don't know why I like it. It's a good flavor for chicken. Sometimes I put lemon in the cavity. Like Ina Garten. You ever see Ina Garten do her chicken? I learned that from her. And how to tress a chicken. I have a video up on my channel long ago last year where I was teaching people how to properly tie a chicken so that it cooks evenly. And there's all different methods and techniques. Let me just check to make sure I have everything. Onion powder. I have onion in there, but let me just put a little bit more in here. And I think I'm going to want a little dash of paprika for color. I like my chicken when it's crispy and cooked to have that flavor, that coloring, you know. Now I got to find my organic regular paprika. Okay. Here we go. Okay, we're done. That's basically it. But no, you thought that I was going to roast it in here, right? No, I'm not roasting it in here. This is why I saw it on the internet, and this is why it's exciting. Do you guys remember beer can chicken? I was a big fan of beer can chicken. I made it several times. Love it. We'll do that in the future. But this is Bundt pan chicken. Okay? Bundt pan chicken. I love it. The concept alone drove me crazy. Okay, come on, girl. You got all your seasonings. I got to make sure I put the right cavity the right way. Okay, get your butt on there. Guys, how convenient is that? This is crazy good. All those juices are going to run down. Now, you know I'm a liver lover. I don't have much room in the front. I'm going to throw this seasonings that fell to the bottom of the pan in the back of here. And there go the chicken livers. They're in there, okay? Let me get rid of this. Let me rinse my hands once more because I'm going to touch vegetables. No cross-contamination. Watch yourself with that. It's a thing and it's important. Cleanliness and decontamination, and watch. Plastic for cutting chicken. I have my plastic board here even though I didn't cut nothing. I need a new wood cutting board, as a matter of fact. How fun is this? Oh my God, I'm not done with you yet. Bear with me. Okay, so now, look how pretty. She's all in there, right? Juices are going to come down, but what are they going to come down on? All the veggies. Okay, let's stir them around because I did season them a little bit. I did. And now we're going to have to pour them in there. Let me get a spoon because we want to be delicate. We don't want to be like bull in a china shop like Vinny says I usually am. I kept the onions and veggies kind of big. Here, I'll show you the little, I don't know what you call them, the whole golden potatoes. Okay, I put them in whole. You can even get the little ones now. What did I made them in a recipe. What do they call them? Nibblers. Nibblers would be perfect for this because they're the perfect size. They're small. I kept my onions kind of big. They're going to cook down perfectly. The one thing I'm a little concerned about is the carrots. So even though you see mine a little bit big, cut yours smaller. I would suggest cut yours smaller. I'm not certain because this is my first time making this. Get over here, you. Okay. The beauty of this is I saw this in France when we went. Let me tell you guys, they have this method that they bake their rotisserie. They have this truck. This is their street food, okay? Roasted chicken that drips down to potatoes in a big, long pan. Phenomenal. Me and Vinny decided to eat in our room one night. In our room, we had a little villa. It was beautiful. And we said, all right, let's go get some French baguette. Let's be really French. Get a baguette. We'll go back to the hotel suite. We had a duplex because we have a time. We used to. We don't have that one anymore. We had a timeshare with Marriott. And our timeshare in France was near the Paris Disney World. Beautiful place. Beautiful. 2-bedroom, 2-story. It had 6 doors that opened, 6 French doors that opened out to a yard. The cats would come every day and want me to feed them. I gave them milk and goodies. Beautiful trip. I got to post those pictures on my other side. Okay. All right, let's grab all that oil because it can't hurt it. It's going to get more juices. Now look at that, guys. Look at that. She's in here. It's in the cavity, just as if the same concept of beer can chicken, but hopefully even better because as this roast, all of those seasonings and juices are going to go around it. I will put it in the oven and check it in 30 minutes to see. I think I should put a little bit now. Let me get a broth. Let me get a broth. Give me a second. I'll get a bouillon and a cup of water, my chicken broth. Okay. Alrighty, let's do that. Let's put this in a cup just to have it because better safe than sorry. We don't know if it's going to dry out or be crazy. I'm going to take a teaspoon, a good heaping teaspoon of my bouillon. I'm going to put water and I'm going to drizzle. Let me put this out of here. I'm going to drizzle this around because I don't think there's enough moisture in the bun pan. I just don't. I really don't. And like I said, guys, I tell you true. I keep it real. I've never made this before. I saw it. I was enchanted. And I said, this is fun. And I love chicken. All right. Let's go around like that. Give it a starter because I am going to put it in at 375 for quite a while. You know, I'm going to take a picture before it goes in. All right, guys, I'm going to put it in the oven now, 375, and then we'll be back. Let me put her in here now. Okay, my stove's clean. I'm going to put it on a pan because I'm a precautionary person. I'm just that way. And it's easier to lift out. Okay, so here we go. Put it in there. Put it all the way back. Alexa, set timer for 1 hour.
1 hour, starting now.
Thank you. In an hour, I'm going to put my thermometer in and see where I am. Internal should be 165 for a cooked chicken. Alexa, cancel. It should be 165. Okay? So we'll be back. Hi guys, here's the finished chicken. It couldn't be easier or better or more delicious. I know I don't even have to bite into it to know that. It's the vegetables are all around. I use my thermometer, either a digital if you have it, or old school, 1 prong. Internal temperature should be 165. In my oven, it took about 1 hour and 20 minutes. You have potatoes, onions, carrots. That's enough for us, but he wanted some corn, so we're going to put a bowl of corn in the microwave. It could be any extra veggies you like. But how cool is this? It couldn't be easier or a better presentation. I love it. Please watch. Please continue to subscribe to my channel. It's free to you. It helps me grow so I can keep putting out videos like this for you guys. Thank you. And we're going to get to eating. For the shoot. Dinner is done. Bundt pan chicken, corn, potatoes, carrots, and onions. Yum, baby, yum.